Hi everyone, this is Leanne and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because today's video is my first ever unboxing video from Wish. Okay, so I ordered items from Wish app. These items, most of it I got it free. It says there it is free, so I bought it, and one or two items are worth 31 baht. So it's very cheap. So I just paid for the shipping fee, and yeah, these are all free, and so I just paid for the shipping fee and it was total to 500 baht, so a little more of 500 baht. So I'm very excited to show you guys what I bought. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there are 7 packages that we're going to open today, and I hope you're going to stay until the end of this video. All right, so let's not gonna take this long. Let's open this packages. Are you excited? Because I am. All right, so let's start with this one. I don't know what this is, but it is, I forgot already what I've ordered in there. So this video took very long time for me to make because I was waiting for all the products to arrive. It didn't arrive all together. It arrived one by one. So one came earlier and then the other. So I was waiting for all of this parcel to arrive. Now that they're all here, it is now time to unbox this one. Okay, so now I have already opened this one. Now I see what I remember. I ordered this tape that, you know, it is a multi, I don't know what this one tape is. This tape, I thought it's very big. That's why it's very cheap. It's less than, I think this one is only 40 or something, or 50s or 30s. And I thought it is very, very big, but it's very small. This one is a tape where you could use in your wall decorations, so it could stick there. I saw this in video, so that's why this one looks nice, so that's why I ordered it. So let's try if this one really stick. So let's see, because they said to, oh wait, it is like silicone. How do I stick that? Oh, there's plastic. Alright, so it seems like it is a silicone. So I already cut one I will put here on the wall. Let's see, because they said it won't. So I got it there. So I have here, if it's work. Let's see. And then, it's working. You see that? It works. Ding! So that is that one. And so I stuck it. It is very small. And yeah, I like it. So yeah, so I like it. So I'm gonna remove it because I don't want you to see that in my videos. So now let me see if I can remove it easily without. I removed it, and there's not even the wall. I didn't break the wall. I mean, the wallpaper. So yeah, this one is good. I've tried that. So let's move on and let's go to the next package. The next package is this one. It is very, very small, and I'm not sure what's inside this. Let's see. This is my problem. I don't have scissors here in this house. I'm in the other apartment, so I don't have anything here. I only have a little stuff in there. So. Oh no. Are you excited? I see it already. So what I've ordered is this accessories. There is no best, only better products. Enjoy the best. So this is it. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, and my problem with iPhone 8 Plus was the how do you call that? The thing where the port. Is it the port? The port. So bugo. The port where you can put your charger is the same port that you can put your headphones. But that is my problem because I cannot use my phone when I'm charging it. I mean, you know, I cannot both. I cannot use the headphones and charger at the same time. So now I got this one. I think this one is very cheap. It's less than, because it is 90 or 70% off. It's very cheap. It is less than 100 bahts. Can you imagine that? So now, I will just put this one in my phone, and then I have for charging, and I have for this one for headphones. So for charging, and I have for headphones. So now I'll try it. Just wait for me. I will just take my phone. So now I have my phone with me. So yeah, I have this. So I have to put this one here. What? This is not nice. Okay, so I have to put here. Ta-da! Now, this is my charger. This is my charger. I can put my charger here. Should work. Charger here, and my headphone on this side. How cool is that? So now I have both of them, but I have a problem. It says, I don't know if you can read. Unlocked iPhone to use accessories. So I have to unlock my iPhone. I don't know how. This accessory not supported. This is not supported by this device. So that means that this device is useless. I cannot use this in my iPhone. But it's okay because I spent only a little less amount for this. So this is cannot use it. So now let's move on because this one's nothing. I cannot use it. I don't know. I have to find ways to use that thing. So now let's go to the next one. The next one is this. You ready? Let's open it. Ew! Because this one is eyebrow template. Okay. Is it only me that every time I make my brows like that, I have problem with brow making? Sometimes it's not balanced. The other one is smaller, the other one is bigger, and the other was longer, and it's not really balanced. So, and that is my constant problem every single time. So now, when I saw this, I said I have to order this. So I don't have my brow pencil here, so let's just see. Okay, so if I have to put it there, I really wanna try this, but I don't see, it's not balanced anymore. So I have to do like that. Like this. So that means I made the wrong one. So that, look. So this one's really fits, that's correct. But look. This one's not. So that means I did not make this one's bombs. Okay, I have to try this one sometime. Oh, what kind of brow? What kind of brow this one is? It's very long. It's a very long brow. I don't think I can use this. But I have to try anyways. Okay, so accept it. I'm buying nonsense stuff. This is nonsense. Not making sense at all. Alright, so far I bought, this is the only thing I bought that I liked so far. So let's now move on to open another package. So the next package, I don't know what to open first, is this one or this one or this one. Maybe let's start with this one because it's the only black package for now. Yeah, so let's just open this. Oopsie. I cannot read, it's a total gross. I cannot read it, it's written in Chinese. Okay, so this is a pouch, a travel pouch. Oh, this is a traveling organizer where you can put your phones, but in everything. So they said you can put your phone here. There's a compartment here. That's why it's very cheap, because it does look cheap. I thought it's, you know. Yeah, so that is very, very yellow. Look. So, yeah. So I have to put phone, headphones, that one. Oh. It looks weird. Yeah, it is super yellow. Yeah, so that's it. Not excited about that. I thought it looks very nice, but I like the color though. I like the color, I like how yellow it is, and it's a very bright yellow. Yeah, and also it is a travel with is always diving into the different and new world. Yeah, that's right. So I think I can use this on my travels, my vacations. Now let's move on. Okay, let's use this one. It's a little bit bigger, or maybe this one. The next one, I'm not as excited. I'm so sad with what I bought. Okay, so this is the next purchase I did. This is a phone holder. So you have this one, a crown, or you can use. What can you expect with less amounts? So, right? Okay, and then this one here. So I'm gonna do this like this. See, you can put it like that. And where did I put this? Like here. Oops. It's a beautiful day. Everybody here. Okay, if you can hear something, it's the neighbor. So, sorry. I'm so sorry if you can hear my neighbor. How can I put it? It's not working! Oh. Like that, okay. Put this and then lock it, and then cut the charge. I'm sweating. This just looks, these you know, online TV looks, I mean, online pictures, online stuff are very deceiving. It looks really good online, but then when you buy it, when the product arrives, it looks totally different. So now I have to put this one on the side. Okay, it is clipped, and now cool. It's there. Yeah. So I think it works. Let's go to the next one. Last two packages. This one took so long already. Here. Okay, so folding bracket, home version, adjustable angle. So this one again is phone holder. It's a folding bracket. It says. So let's see. Oh, and it has something to stick on. Okay. Wait, how to do this? Takot. So I think I have to like this. So for now I have to take my phone off on the other one, and then I have to do this and this one here. That one stays. I think this one's work for my phone. So yeah, this one I like this one, and that one too. So yeah, things good for now. And can I stand it too? Yes, I can hold it standing. So yes to this product. I think I liked it. Okay, next item is this last one. So I think I know this one. Yes, so I think I know this already. I think this is let's just see. I think this one is for the nails. Look at my nails, it's very ugly. So it says this one is Savoland UV and LED soak off nail polished. So this one is the nail polished, and I have two for the two shades. Okay, so let's see what shades are this. If you can see, my nails are very bare. There's nothing in there. It's very, my nails always like this. Okay, I don't know how to have a beautiful nails. I bought this because it's very easy to, I saw this, it's very easy to apply.
I don't know how to respond to that.
So that is Siri. Sorry, I did not call you Siri. So yeah, so let's see. It looks like this one. It says UV nail. I don't know how to apply this. Okay, it has a brush. That brush here. I don't know, it's not showing. It has a brush. And also, it says here. Twist in the cup. Why did I have to twist the cup? Okay, so, but that's a lot. Because I twisted it a lot. I mean, yeah. So I just have to do this, like this. This is red, this is red. I know it's a mess. Okay, so let me try that one. try it. It is very easy to apply now. I like this one. It's not looking good for now. I think I have to take off this because it looks like a mess. So this one's for the tube. Doesn't look good. That does not look good too. So now, let's move on. And this one. I think this one's black. Yeah. So there is another brush and same have streets. We'll come out to street. It's not coming out. Ah! There's something coming out already. It is black. This one just glide and I don't really like it as much because it made this look when I applied it, it made that really weird pigment like that, you know, that white one. It separates, the color separates. I thought maybe that's because I did not clean my nails before this. Should I, before doing this, or just apply it right away? See, the black one. Oh! See, if you're going to apply that, if I'm going to apply it, look. Can you see that? It separates. The color separates. That's why it shows a white thing. Look at this. What's the reality? Don't order this. This one is nail. UV nail gel. It says UV nail gel. Don't order. It doesn't look good. But it doesn't look. Now so far, the one I liked the most are the self-lip stand and this. Also another self-lip stand that you can use anywhere, which is good. And that tape. It's all worth it. This tape, it's all worth it. I've tried it. And now, let's go, everyone. And this one's how we'll end this one. And thank you so much for staying here with me. And see you in my next one.